Your application then proceeds on to the narrative. This section is one of the most important sections of your application. Here, you will describe your project in detail and answer questions that apply to the scoring criteria for the grant program. Those criteria and how they are weighted are dependent on the specific grant program, as covered in the program guidelines and found again in this section above the relevant questions. Criteria can include merit, artistic quality, ability, and need, among others, depending on the program. In this case, because we are looking at an art project grant, all 4 of those are noted here at the top. I would also like to note that the criteria should be thought about using the SMART model. The SMART model is a way of thinking about and developing your goals. The SMART model is noted here. It gives you a way to think about your goals and how you will measure them. The sections here in the narrative are broken down for each criteria. In this case, we see them here. The first being, speak to the artistic quality of your proposed project. Then underneath, it gives you an idea of what we're looking for and some more information to help you answer that question. Followed by the next criteria, which is merit, the following, which is need, and finally, ability. Now, in this section, you will also see questions that may seem redundant to you because you have answered them before. In this case, remember that the first time you answered questions about your goals and how you will measure them were for state reporting purposes. Now, in the narrative section, you will be answering these questions for our reviewers who will be scoring your grant. Again, please read all the information to help you answer your questions fully and effectively. Finally, the last question in this section, down here at the bottom, is here to provide you a space for you to provide anything that you feel is important for reviewers to know that didn't easily fit into an answer to one of the other questions. While not required of you to answer, please take this opportunity to tell us more about your project.